Heard about the Alcuras Moringa Berberine AMPK patch claiming effortless weight loss and metabolism boosts without dieting or exercise? Today we're telling you whether it actually works or if it's mostly hype. Let's break it down. So the product is marketed as a nano microneedle patch infused with Moringa, Berberine, NAD+, and other compounds that supposedly regulate appetite, boost metabolic pathways like AMPK, control blood sugar, burn fat, and even tighten skin, all with daily patch use. Some websites say people see results in as little as 7 days. Here's where there might be something worth noting. Berberine has research showing it can improve glucose metabolism and insulin sensitivity, which might help with appetite and fat balance when combined with diet and exercise. Oral berberine has been used in some metabolic studies. Microneedle patches can deliver compounds to the skin and in other contexts like nicotine or hormone patches, though this is very different from weight loss patches. But here's the reality check most people don't see in ads. There's no independent scientific proof that this patch causes meaningful weight loss or metabolic change on its own. Marketing claims reference ingredients, not published clinical trials specific to the patch. Investigations into those types of patches find bold promises with little verifiable evidence, and claims like rapid fat loss or disease reversal aren't backed by credible science. So does the Alcuras patch actually help you lose weight? Not on its own. The science behind weight loss patches is weak, and there's no solid evidence this patch delivers enough active compounds to meaningfully change metabolism or fat stores. If you see any results, it's likely from diet, exercise, and lifestyle changes, not by the patch itself. Approach with skepticism and consult a healthcare professional before trusting miracle claims. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.